Don't focus on technical knowledge too much. It could set you back. Knowing all the Android details doesn't make anyone necessarily a better designer or a better architect. We need to cover different topics to make ourselves better. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mohammed, and today I'm going to share some tips that helps you to have a smoother design process. I was feeling stuck in a tedious loop. More technical knowledge, but simply no difference. How was that? That was the moment I started looking for the cause. Working on a project with a clear requirements happens once in a blue moon. Usually, the software project requirements are not enough to start the development process. And that's our job. Asking questions, helping us to clear the path, and also gathering the information. It helps us to evaluate them and also find out the connections. Besides, there might be conflict and collisions that will be revealed when you have gathered all the information in one place. When you have analyzed the information, you're able to see the gaps. And now you can start filling them. After finding the gaps and filling the information and having kind of confidence that the information is enough, now that's the time to write down our understanding as a summary. We don't know what we don't know until we start writing down them. Don't make decisions too early. Try to postpone irreversible and costly decisions. It enables you to keep the options open till the last moment. There is no value in the early decisions that can make a big difference in the architecture and the implementation process. Think abstractly. In the very beginning of the project, we should not decide about the technologies and try to keep ourselves open-minded. We usually choose what we know better. Familiarity bias or status quo bias is a cognitive bias in which people prefer things that they are familiar with over those that they are new or unknown to them. Think behind DB types, IPC mechanisms, programming languages, and etc. and stick to the big picture of the project. Don't jump into making concrete decisions on details. Present your data and design to your colleagues. Ask feedback from them and try to see what you have gathered or what you have designed from their point of view. Two heads are better than one. Review your design, ask questions as much as possible, and try to think differently. Verify it against the requirement and the scenarios. Measure twice, cut once. We will have a chance to adjust the design and implementation if something has been overlooked. But it's better to review your design and the collected information in the beginning of the project with your colleague. Draw your design and architecture on a piece of paper or through offline and online tools. Visualizing what you have in your mind helps you to identify the probable flaw. In addition, unloading your mind onto a diagram reduces the stress and makes a better feeling. Don't attach yourself to one area which leads to missing others. See the whole process and go beyond. There are lots of areas that you need to cover. For instance, Android technical knowledge, mindset and way of working, software architecture concepts, implementation design patterns, programming language specifications and expertise. And there are lots of other areas that could help you to make yourself better, better, and better. We need to organize our mind and build good habits. These tips have helped me to improve the efficiency of the design process. Try them and also give me feedback. Please hit the like button if you have found this video useful or you like